In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a ManyChat account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, ManyChat is a fantastic tool for businesses that want to automate their interactions with customers via messaging apps. Whether you're looking to enhance your customer engagement, streamline communications, or boost sales, ManyChat can help you accomplish that. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating your ManyChat account. To kick things off, the first thing you'll want to do is visit the official ManyChat website. Just type into your web browser, ManyChat, or search for it on Google. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for a button that says Get Started or Sign Up. Go ahead and click that. This will guide you straight to the Sign Up page. Next, you'll see a range of sign-in options. ManyChat allows you to connect using popular platforms like Google or Facebook for a smoother sign-up process. Choose whichever method works best for you. If you choose Google, you'll need to log in with your Google credentials. If you opt for Facebook, you'll do the same for your Facebook account. This step makes the onboarding process pretty seamless, so don't hesitate to pick a platform you already use. Once you're signed in, the next step involves selecting the social media channel you wish to connect first. ManyChat supports various platforms including Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Take a moment to choose the social media platform that aligns with your business strategy. For instance, if your brand is primarily active on Instagram, that could be a logical choice. Clicking on the platform will initiate the connection process. Now, after you select your preferred channel, it's time to authorize the connection. ManyChat will prompt you to grant permission via Meta, which manages Facebook and Instagram. Make sure to allow all requested permissions that will enable ManyChat to manage messages and automation effectively. It's crucial that all permission boxes remain checked. Otherwise, your bot may not function properly. Once you've dealt with permissions, ManyChat will ask you a few quick personalization questions about your business. This can help in tailoring the services to better fit your needs. Feel free to share information like your business name, or if you prefer, you can opt to skip this step. It's designed to enhance your experience, but you're not obligated to fill everything out right away. Now, after you've tackled those questions, you will be directed to choose a plan. ManyChat offers several options, including a free plan. Starting with the free plan is a great way to explore ManyChat's features, and it allows you to connect up to 2 channels. If you're just starting out and testing the waters, this is an ideal choice for you. Finally, once you've selected the free plan, you'll be taken to your ManyChat dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, where you can manage your messaging, set up automated flows, and engage with your customers. So to recap everything we've covered, you visited the ManyChat website, signed in using either Google or Facebook, selected your preferred social media channel, authorized the connection, answered some personalization questions, and chose the free plan. Congratulations! You're now ready to start using ManyChat to enhance your customer engagement. If you have any questions about the process or run into any roadblocks, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting with ManyChat.